Americans may feel like their Congress is divided and dysfunctional, but you ain't seen Uganda.
A brawl in Uganda's parliament breaks out during a debate about the president's eligibility to run for office again. You can see them. They've got, I don't know what their weapons are, Mike, but they're using whatever they can get their hands on. The country's constitution has an age limit of 75 for president. Well, the 73-year-old president, Yoweri Museveni, has ruled Uganda since taking the position by force in 1986. So that argument over changing the law to allow him to run again after the age of 75.
The first rule of Ugandan parliament is you don't talk about Ugandan parliament. And real quick, what does that reporter mean? I don't know what those weapons are. What do you mean? It's a mic stand, okay? We have mic stands in Africa. The reporter's saying it like, the Ugandans are fighting with some kind of giraffe stick. I don't know what that is. It's a mic stand, okay? Now, honestly, we could go into the reasons they were fighting, but the truth is, you don't really care, and there is so much fun insanity happening in every frame of that video. We have to look closer at it. Like, one guy jumps onto the table, and then he does a spin. What's that? Who does a spin in the middle of a fight? That was insane. Looks like a Ugandan Michael Jackson. Like, what was that? Oh, and then watch this part. Someone throws a chair, and the security guy catches it in midair. Like a boss. New York Giants, are you watching this? You better sign this man. But my favorite part of all, one representative, he's just standing there the whole time, waving the Ugandan flag like a matador. You can see he's like, when this is a painting, they will definitely include me, huh? You know what my suggestion is? This is how